Hi everyone, Ron Engel from Engel Drone Solutions. Our slogan is night or day, for video, photo, thermal, and more, we are your aerial solution provider. But what does that mean to you? Well, let me show you. For commercial and residential customers, we provide a different perspective of your property through our pictures. Interested in video of these buildings? We can do that. We can also produce video advertisements for your businesses. Have an event that you would like a new perspective on? We have you covered. When it comes to thermal imaging, we perform heat loss analysis and solar panel defect detection. What else can we do? We have done drone mapping and continue to look for other opportunities. So now you know. Night or day, for video, photo, thermal, and more, we are your aerial solution provider. Engel Drone Solutions.